The 2025 Hyundai Elantra makes a bold statement in the compact sedan segment with its refreshed design, advanced technology, and refined performance. Hyundai continues to push boundaries, and the new Elantra is a prime example of how far the brand has come in blending practicality with premium appeal. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the aggressive front fascia commands attention, featuring a wide cascading grille flanked by sharp LED headlights that give the car a futuristic yet sporty presence. The sleeker profile and sculpted body lines add to the dynamic look, making the Elantra more than just a daily driver. It's a visual standout under the hood. The 2025 Elantra offers multiple powertrain options, ranging from a fuel-efficient 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine to a turbocharged variant for those seeking more excitement. Hyundai has also improved the hybrid version, offering enhanced fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Whether you're commuting through the city or hitting the open highway, the Elantra provides a balanced ride with smooth handling and responsive steering. Hyundai's focus on improving NVH levels means the cabin remains quiet and comfortable. Even at higher speeds, step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that rivals those of more expensive sedans. The interior boasts high-quality materials with soft-touch surfaces, metallic accents, and a modern, minimalist dashboard layout. A massive dual-screen setup integrates the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system seamlessly, providing a tech-savvy experience. Features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and premium Bose audio elevate the in-cabin feel. The Elantra is also generous in terms of interior space, with ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making it ideal for families or ride-sharing. Safety continues to be a top priority for Hyundai, and the 2025 Elantra comes loaded with Hyundai SmartSense. This includes forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality. These features work together to provide peace of mind on every journey, making the Elantra not just smart, but safe. Another strong point for the 2025 Elantra is its value. Hyundai continues to offer a class-leading warranty package, including a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, making it a compelling choice for buyers looking for long-term reliability. The available trims from the affordable base model to the sportier N-Line and efficient hybrid TRI-Miz cater to a wide range of customers with varying needs and budgets. A market filled with crossovers and SUVs, the 2025 Hyundai Elantra proves that the compact sedan is far from obsolete. With its head-turning design, advanced technology, impressive fuel efficiency, and solid driving dynamics, the new Elantra offers a complete package. It's a car that doesn't compromise on style or substance, giving drivers a taste of luxury and innovation at an accessible price point. Whether you're a first-time buyer or someone looking to upgrade, the 2025 Elantra is a smart, stylish, and forward-thinking choice.